Hey guys, Megan from Casting Queens here, and I just wanted to show you our new products. We just got these line cutters is what they're called, and they are line cutting rings. So they are super awesome. And I'm going to show you how to use these. This one is our black one and it has our logo on it. And then we also have this white one as well. Super cute. They're super cool. I saw them at a boat and camper show a while back, and I always thought they were very cool products and really unique. And they actually were on Shark Tank, so I reached out to them and they were able to sell us these with our logo on them, and now I'm selling them to you. But I want to show you guys how to use these. This is my first time using them, so bear with me. I am going to use this white one because I think it's really cute. And what this does is it's a replacement of scissors or not pliers, but like your teeth or anything you use when you retie a lure or bobber. You have that extra line that you have to cut off, and this is useful that you don't have to look for those scissors or a knife or anything like that. It's right at your fingertips, literally right on your hand. So I am going to change the Stevie Nicks lure to our new spinner, and how you use it is basically here's what it looks like up close, guys. Okay, and the cutter is right underneath. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just wrap this around and cut, literally that simple. And I got right to the end, so I don't have that that extra line, sorry. Okay, so now I'm gonna put on I'm just gonna show you how we cut that extra line off. Okay, so I'm gonna put on our new spinners, the Warrior Princess, which was good. It was awesome this weekend. My dad caught so many northern off of it. I was trying some other stuff, so I didn't use it a ton, but I did also catch some northern on it. Okay, so again, we also have a how to tie a lure video if you do want to know a step-by-step on how to do that. I do have a tutorial out there on our YouTube channel. We are trying to get that going more, so if you want to learn how to do this, definitely go on there where I just kind of walk through of what I'm doing. But right now I'm just going to do it for quickies here. Okay. So it's super nice. It doesn't even get in the way when I'm tying this lure. I was curious on how I would like this. And honestly, I think they're really useful. Okay, so now you see how we always had that extra string. Instead of looking for that scissors, literally I just go in, and you can wear this on whatever hand. I just wore it on my middle finger for now. And you just kind of wrap it around and pull it. You barely had to pull it at all, and it cut the line. It is supposed to be good for like any type of braided line at all. So you can throw one in your backpack for when you go kayaking, or just keep it in your tackle box and wear it when you go fishing. So again, we have two. This is going to be the white one, and we also have a black one as well. So these are going to be up for sale on our website. Go check it out.